Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore the process of consolidating data in Excel. Consolidation is a powerful feature that allows you to combine information from multiple sheets or workbooks into a single organized view. Let's get started by opening Excel and navigating to the workbook containing the sheets or workbooks you want to consolidate. In this example, we have multiple sheets with similar data that we want to bring together. First, select the cell where you want the consolidated data to begin. This is typically an empty sheet or a specific location in an existing sheet. Now, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Under the Data Tools group, you will find the Consolidate option. Click on it to open the Consolidate dialog box. In the Consolidate dialog box, you will find various settings to configure your consolidation. Choose the function you want to apply. It could be sum, count, average, and so on. Here we select the sum function. Now, click in the reference box and select the first sheet you want to consolidate and select the range of the data. Click on the Add button. In this way, select the second sheet, select the range of data, click on the Add button. At last, select the third sheet, select the range of the data, click on the Add button. If your data has labels, you can also use the top row and left column options. If you want to link the consolidated data to the original sheets, you have to click the checkbox Create links to source data. If you do so, you will get updates of the data when you make any changes within the 3 sheets. And there you have it, my friends. Excel has consolidated the data accordingly to your specified function. You now have a comprehensive view of the combined information in a single sheet. That's it for this tutorial on consolidating data in Excel. Feel free to experiment with different settings and functions to meet your specific needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.